Oh, hi. Hello, and welcome again, I guess. So today I'm just walking, and I'll probably, because I committed for a daily streak of stream for next 30 days. So I guess this is it. Now I'll have to stream whatever I want, I guess. So this is me working and fixing my streams, I guess, while also streaming at the same time. So this is what we are going to do right now, and there are a lot of noise, music, and stuff. So I don't know what I'll be doing right now, and there's a lot of disturbance. So I'm not so sure what we'll be doing, but hopefully something productive, probably. And I didn't stream game because I would like to hear the audio properly if I uh, stream a game or something. And now I can't hear properly everything because there's a lot of noise. Loudspeakers, basically, a lot of loudspeakers. So I think working would be a good idea, and fixing things. Like, for example, we need to fix our gaming scene, the chat window over there. So that I'll be doing right now. And I think I need to create a custom scene for that. So if I switch, okay, I just switched to the chat scene, so this happened. I guess what I need to do is, okay, let's create, I guess, separate source for this one. Since I haven't changed the URL, should be similar, I guess, except for the font. Except for the font. Well, let's try, I guess, except for the font. Okay, what I'll do right now is copy the link, create a new scene. Let's go to the game scene. I hope it's not Windows here. Wait, just in case. Okay, it is game scene. So the Batman game wasn't working properly, so that's why I was using the whole screen display capture. Basically, capture is not a good idea for live streams. A lot can happen on your PC, and that could be leaked and stuff. So it's a nightmare for privacy. That's what I'm trying to say. Uh, okay, I guess this is the game scene. So, and this is the chat window over here, just below my face. Let's do some test chat here so that we can customize test chat Facebook. Yes. Test chat from Twitch. Chat from YouTube. Test chat. Check. So we needed few comments to, I guess, set up this thing. Now what I'll do is create a new chat source just over this, and we will try to manage it within this site basically. And a little bit visible, maybe, because currently it is not visible. By the way, I would like to change the whole scenario over here. I would create a new one. Like, I would like to match it with my just chatting scene. This is the scene that I personally created. So what I'll do is create similar scenes for all the different scenes. This is a default scene from Stream Elements, so obviously I'm not going to use it for the foreseeable future, I guess. So what I'll do is create completely new, something new. But for now, let's just focus on customizing this chat window over here. So what I'll do is I'll create a source, browser source in this case, to display chat, I guess. The chat, okay. Being it chat. Now what I'll do is paste this URL over here. I just need to change the font, I guess. Then we can continue. Not using Google font for this one. I'll be using a local font that I have downloaded basically. Okay, done. I may need to control this. I don't know. Sure at the moment. But might be the height over here. I guess let's try 300 by 400, I guess. I'm choosing with 300 and height 400. Then we will customize from there, I guess. Okay, I was right about 300. It's almost the same as the base window that I have. Just need to fix it somewhere here. And even the 400 is fine, but I think I can go up to 450 or something like that. Let's do it, I guess. 50. Okay, 450 is too much, I think. Let's go for 420. Okay, 420 seems nice. If I disable this chat default one, okay, there is a transparent window as well, which I'll need to disable. Let's turn on the digital. Okay, fresh. I guess I need to send another chat to display it. It's not showing anything. This chat window. Let's see if it will work. Okay, nice. I need to customize the font size, obviously. If I start singing or something, just know because it's happening because of the songs that I'm listening. Not here, from outside. People are playing songs on loudspeakers. Okay, I think I can add only one source. No, I can add both sources, but I can customize only one at a time. Okay. So let's customize this. I want complete transparency, I guess. Or maybe not in this case. On the main chat window, I will use complete transparency. Font is loading properly, I think. Just size. Need to just customize the size. Outline, compact, compelling pixel headset. Okay. Okay, I need to use CSS for that. Let me grab the CSS. Okay. Just a moment. Since I went to the chat scene anyway, the first one that we were using, I decided to copy the link from there as well, so that we can create similar looking design, I guess. In fact, I need to change settings on that one. I haven't customized the font I thought I had over there. 300, 420 is fine. Let's just edit the CSS. Okay. So I think now we need to test the font size. Test chat with smaller size. No, test. Still, the font size is small, which is fine. The problem is the profile pictures and icons and name are larger. Test chat for mini chat. Spelling, but it works. Let's proceed further. What will happen? Test chat from YouTube for mini chat. Okay, so at least it is working as it should. Let's customize the CSS further. I'll do is font size is 15 pixel, which is fine, I guess. Author font size is 16 pixel. Okay, maybe we need to reduce it completely. Maybe I'm not so sure at the moment, but let's try it, I guess. Outline and compact and note and okay. Size, let's say 12. 13. Okay. Testing new font size. Testing new font size. I can copy paste while I'm typing all the time. Testing new font size. I need to look for the icon size css for icon size. And that's the that. Let's just load a game just for the sake of, I guess, sound or a look. I think I need to change the URL. So menu, overlay, visibility, styling, custom search. I can. So what I need to do is pay attention to the link changes, and then we can customize that link basically. The message today I can enable if when there is a new message. It's the people and be. I'm looking for the. Okay, got it. Add Twitch messages. Okay, source icon. Need source icon. Show my text messages. Hide. Just one message. Now I can hide avatars. That hide times. That done. And badges. That looks kind of nice. Yes. Can be done, but so sure. I won't be playing the game, just open it to see how it looks. Let me customize one of the browser doc for now. Browser docs. So this should basically enable the beep sound that I want to hear by default all the time. This is the thing that I want. Let's go back to mini chat over here. Maybe compact mode. Add menu bar. I've done it. Mini chat. Page background. And yeah. It modes. Message start at the bottom rather than top. Top down reverse. Side. Reading the statement. Second. like much nation CPU only mode. Text to speech. I have this. We can do. Okay. For some reason, game wasn't displaying. I thought we ran into some other issue. So what I'll do is, I guess, I'm not finding anything. I need to, I think, inspect source and then see exact CSS that needs to be used over here. So now I can write timestamps, hide it without. Let's try this. Let's try first name only for the moment being to see if we're getting anything in terms of okay. Now I should only see the first names. Any chat appears. Let's test it. Testing chat with first name only. So it will work on some cases where okay, I think I know what I need to do. Thanks, bro. Working on it. Testing actually, but working. Actually both. Testing and working. I think I'll need to use the full size window for the browser window, but still use the same font size and stuff, so it will look like this, I guess, with let's say 1920 by 1080. So if I use 1920 by 1080 in the screen, this will happen. Make it smaller, I guess. Okay, maybe not a good idea. Actually, I have an idea. Let's test this. Now what I'll do is I'll keep the width to 300, but height, let's go for 1080. This is fine, but still too big. Next, I think if I'll use float CSS, maybe. I mean, we are testing over here, so why not? Let's test it. 300 and say 800 over here. So down, okay. No, size-wise, I think we were already at the right place. We just need to find the CSS ID for all this icons and stuff, and then we need to customize that further. This is better, I think. Let's just reduce the icon sizes and stuff. So I need to find the CSS for this. Let me look for it. I don't know which CSS properties this chat window is using. I should be able to find it though. Online resources, I guess, by the app developer. By the way, if anyone is here for the games, I'm not playing games right now. Preparing the streams so that I can game someday, maybe tomorrow. Right now there's a lot of noise outside, lots of loudspeakers and stuff, so that's why I'm not gaming. Compact mode, one of the things that we can try is compact. Let me check it. This will work. Okay, compact mode actually is enabled. Text outlining, increase vertical padding between messages, no alternating background, preview large avatar profile pic on the left side. Let me test this. No, actually, I need smaller. My content images, messages, split mode, turn messages post me to bounded bubbles. That might look good and also share it. Okay, I think I need to find the CSS from their website, developer's website. Let me look for it. Social stream. CSS, okay, great. Now if I can find an option that will let me reduce the size of the icons and then icons and emojis, then will fit. Okay, let's try that first. I have different idea, one more idea that I would like to try later. Customize and scale, double size elimination of all elements. Okay. Do we need to increase the resolution? No. Height mode, height source, compact, so time, wipe. So we have option for color, border radius. We are not using anything. Author font size, we have used this. Comment font size, we have also used this. Author border radius, we are not using any of these. First text shadow, highlight face. For you can inject a bit of JavaScript into the doc or featured pages using okay. So we can even use JavaScript. Highlight, compact, okay. So there's nothing mentioned for the icon sizes, avatar sizes. So I guess I need to figure it out myself. Okay, so we'll do it ourselves. First, I would like to try one more thing, which is named large avatar profile pic on the left side. Let's try this. Yeah. Let's try this first, then we can customize it. Large avatar. Okay. Now we need to test chat again. Test chat with large avatar. This is a disaster. But maybe not in this is. We test it. What I'll do is hide the black outline that we have. This way I can increase the size of the chat window without affecting how it looks in the stream. Okay, not actually. Just give me a moment. Fix this. And so fix this. One more zero, I guess. Let's see. Done. So now the chats should appear larger. Okay, it is considerably large. Don't make this large. Let's start with full window. So this is how it will look. I'll use the full window version. Now what I'm thinking is, let me lock the other sales first, just in case I don't mix up. So, okay. My idea is to make it smaller like this. This way it would work properly. But what if the chat will be great? So testing. This will create issue. Width cannot be larger than this. Let's remove the transformations reset. Just chat. Yes. Okay, now I'm doing my way. Let's use, I guess, CSS. I'll look at the sources over here and try to find out the icon size. Okay, I need to. Every time I load the page, basically, it requires new chat. Testing a long chat. Okay, now it's just playing. Okay. You page source or inspector element? Let's go with the inspector element. Which one does message image? Okay. Dash message. Okay. Image dash. I think image dash 30, message dash 30. What is that? Next height. Depth. Let's do 16. So dot h1 dash message switch. Trying to look this one. Search. Yeah. H1 dash page. Image class H1 dash page. image 30, one dash message. I think I need to use the parent video first and see that will work. If not, then we can .h1 dash message image max width and height. I'm copying the CSS property. Let's see if this will work. I'm basically trying to override the existing CSS with my own. GST. Let's try 15 pixel. Did I show this? I don't think so. Height 15 pixel. And since I'm overriding, let's use important tag over here, max dash max height 15 pixel. This is for cases where the images would be not square. Just width 15. So because the badges, it is also covering the badges and stuff. So okay. Testing CSS. All right. Worked a little bit. Messed up the looks. CSS override. Okay, it is messing up the avatar, but I can fix that by simply also including the width property maybe. Let's do it now. Now I've also included width property over here. Let's test it. I'm not so sure why the image is circling. Maybe I should use different. Uh, maybe I should use separately, probably all the. Okay, so I think this is happening because the CSS uses the. I don't know what's it called. I haven't coded since a long time. So the classification or something, probably I don't know what it is called right now, but the thing that we use with semicolon, colon, and then first test child in the code. Completely forgot what is it is called. Message image, h1 message savage. Okay, first child, not last child. Okay, margin auto, line block, padding 0. Dot icon. Image underscore 36. This is causing the issue. Let me take the CSS. This one. Just process switchy. Okay, div id h1 messages. Okay, it's confusing to be honest, because there are a lot of duplicate basically CSS on the page. But id can be used only once. Well, let's test it anyway. Testing CSS override. Again. What happened? Okay. Camera source is stuck for some reason. Let's check what happened. Capture card, probably. I have no idea why that happened. I think it will require a lot of time and patience. Right now, I'm also focused on the stream, able to focus on the matter at hand. what if we directly add one more CSS copy or something just for the avatar part? Image ID, image 38. Why? $37. Okay, image ID is specific to different profiles, I think, different avatars. So I'm not going to use that. Icon h1 dash profile dash pic. See if it's the same one. Yeah. Class icon h1 dash profile dash pic. Okay. Okay, same. If this is matching, so that could be utilized. What else? Search image ID. Class. I'll just use the class part. One dash profile dash pic. H1 dash profile dash pic. Let's try that. H1 dash profile dash pic. This also use this class. This that thing is using. Okay. Testing CSS override. A new class. Nothing happened. Not so sure what is happening. Avatar font size. How about make it similar? Important. Yeah, just right. Let me find it. Okay, that's mistake on my success. If there were some misses. Let me refresh the CSS that I'm seeing over here. Just again. With inspect element. There are too many CSS classes and IDs associated with everything, so that's why it's confusing. Okay, here I can see it properly. It's working here. No issues. Maybe I just need to refresh this. Source. It's maybe cache or something. On my browser, it's looking fine. Yep. But now it's looking big. 15 pixel font size, probably. 12. Yep. So we'll go with 12 for these as well. At best 13, but let's go with 12 first and see how it looks. 12 and 12. Oh. 35. But, okay. Press please. Okay, thanks. Testing of extra. Again, rounded thing. No idea why. Oh, but yeah. Click on my browser. Refresh. Browser sources. Nope. Working fine here. Just on the stream, it's looking like that. I don't know why. Although the CSS is not working because the renders are 24 pixel. But my code is not overriding the existing code for some reason. That should. Now what I'll do is add all this CSS just to test inside the root class just to test. Anyway. I need to edit it somewhere else. The OBS window is too small. Look and edit the code. It's painful. I'm using Notepad over here. Let's paste this over here. Frustrating. Let's switch back to the settings just for the moment. Just I'm so focused on this stream that I've made so many mistakes over here. And also was too small to look at. So mostly spelling mistakes. It should work. But now I have changed the classes. I'm not 100% sure it will work, but let's see. It should, theoretically. Go back to the game scene. So we are working over here. Okay. I'll replace this page as well. Okay, on browser, obviously I will see the same thing because I'm adding CSS on the OBS. Testing new CSS. But okay, let me fix the code. We'll need the previous classes that I used. I have copied it. Okay, it's still here. Height, width, and depth. File. Root code. Okay, it's this message. Okay, height 12 pixel. Okay, seems fine. Let's just testing finale because I think it should work. But okay, I'm fed up right now. Bye. Okay, I'm tired and my 1 hour quota is completed. So I'll fix this, but maybe in the next stream. That this will also give me time to research things. So yeah, probably a good idea. But I'll have to do it on the stream probably. I'm not so sure. Or maybe we can, if emulation is allowed, then it will work. Sure if it's allowed on this tool, emulation of the chat side. Officially though, they haven't shared any uh CSS detail to specifically manipulate the images. They have made it unnecessarily confusing. Would have been very simple thing to do. And the worst part is the first icons are working, the rest are not. I think it to do something like that. It was just I run this profile display. I can one more test. Okay, I'm right up now. So go and something. Okay, next time I'll edit it directly, I guess, on the browser and see the effect instead of editing in OBS. Let me find the code first. Let's see where the overriding code goes, and then we'll go from there. The root file. Okay, dash HTML dash color background dash color background stylized image. Okay, stylized author font size photo. I'm looking at the classes over here. Yes, classes. Let me check the CSS on this. On this family. And this message image SVG. Let's try this directly on the browser. 15 pixel. Okay, this did OBS. I have used OBS, bro. UI. Thanks for commenting. Okay, I'm editing the code directly on the browser, and same thing. Nothing is happening over here as well. So I'm not sure. Last minute. Let's try it for 10 more minutes, and then I'll go for dinner. Border radius makes the site incremental with mouse wheel. Okay. Allow authors to constrain container on certain radius. Okay. Images for file. Okay. Border radius picture. Spread file is big. Uh, okay, I need to figure out how this thing works. I'll probably read the documentation and stuff, but even the documentation hasn't mentioned anything. Or I can probably ask for someone or the developer himself. for the code that I can customize. Hi, back again. Yep. I was trying some things, trying to fix chats and some stuff. On this page, this is working, but the font is used differently, and the window size is large compared to what you guys are seeing over here. That's very different over here. Let's see. So I guess let's hide this CSS for now. There are too many CSS classes and IDs and stuff, which is confusing. For some reason this is not overriding. Override is not. I'll try it again next time. Testing again with the chat. So when I don't add any CSS, both load perfectly. When I add CSS, only the first image works for some reason and the rest doesn't. What's going on? Maybe the child element CSS should be utilized over here. It's not bad, but I want better looking CSS. Only the profile picture, the avatar that it pulls from the social media platforms and YouTube, that's the only thing that's causing the issue. Otherwise the icon and the platform icon and the badges working perfectly. How about emojis? Let's try some emojis. It's not bad. You already know, but it can important to. I did doesn't work for some reason. That's what I said about overriding. I did override, but it didn't work anyway. It worked for the first image and the badges, platform icon and the badges, but not for the profile picture. So I also tried with different class specifically for the profile picture, which was h1-profile-pic, but that didn't work as well. So I'm not completely sure what's happening there. Need to look at the code properly next time. Probably there is some other CSS or something which is overriding my code afterwards. Although I'm not 100% sure about that as well. I'll probably create a complete sheet of CSS and then directly embed that on the HTML page, maybe, instead of pasting on OBS. Right now I'm using OBS to add the CSS elements to the chat overlay. So what I'll do next is directly load the CSS as well within the HTML page that I have for extracting the chat windows, chat layout basically. This is an HTML page. I should be able to customize it, but then I have to do it every time. Hit the scripts probably. There'll be a lot of work. have to completely redesign this game scene as well, because I would like to create my own thing, which I have created for the just chatting scene. This is the scene that I have personally created, and I would like to create the same for all other scenes as well. Right now, the gaming scene uses overlay that I took from one of the website, basically. So I would like to create my own thing, maybe soon. But for now, I guess it is working, so let it be. And I'll create a webcam situation. I'll use a smaller webcam window. The current overlay is asking for a bigger size image and in 4:3 ratio. I would like to use 1:1 and smaller. I'll create my own square image box as well. Facecam. The CSS documentations provided by the developer is also not enough. For some reason, he only mentions the font size for the avatar, font size for the name, and the comment, but not about the icons. So I only tried to find the CSS classes used and IDs used using the. My brain is not braining right. Inspect element tool. I'll be also working on something which will allow me to display the chat over the stupid brain over the stream. Struggling right now. Brain is not braining. Featured chat overlay is what it's called. Check the name. Let's take the default look, how it's looking default by default. Then we can customize it further later on. Chat. Featured chat. A bit better name. This one. Make source visible. Test it. Not adding any CSS to this one right now. And it's full page right now. Could be stupid, but it's not bad actually. Can be used already. For example, I just need to make the size smaller. Over here. It's already looking good enough. Let's log the other items just to avoid any issues. I would like to move this. I have this OCD thing. So do I have to click manually to hide it? Nice. I'm listening to songs outside. What an idiot. Okay, double clicking hides it. This is the board chat, by the way. I'm also using board. I have a lot of things that I'll be doing. For now, I'll just things go, I guess. I don't see anything that indicates that one of the chat is displayed right now. All the chat that I click are highlighted, even when I click again to hide it. But this is confusing, but it could be helpful in situations where you don't want to read the same chat again and again. That time, okay, it's lovely by default. I don't think I need to customize it. How about a long chat? Let's test. Hello there. Writing a long text to test how the featured chat overlay will look like situations like this. I hope this is enough text tested. That wasn't enough text. Wait a moment. Where is the chat? Okay, got it. Let's paste it. Twice or thrice. How about now? How about now? My neighbors are Nepali, and then there something is going on right now. Okay, it's changing the font size basically to adjust it. I guess that's amazing. Okay, nice one. But will it capture avatar for all of the profiles and stuff? For example, if you see, it's not capturing the avatar for users other than me at the moment. Okay, now I'll go and have my dinner, and then maybe we will try to figure this out later. We'll probably stream games if things work out like I want to, and probably test things out again. So yeah, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, whatever, follow on Twitch, whatever, and I'll be streaming on a daily basis from now on until at least New Year. So at least for 60 days. Thank you so much for watching or joining, learning, teaching me, whatever. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.